First of all, I'd like to say happy birthday, George, and I hope you're enjoying yourself, and thank you so much for inviting us all to our wonderful repast we had this evening. And many more of them. I'm sure we'll agree all on that. Anyway.
Get on with it.
Come on.
I'm about to when I can remember.
And he's not joking.
Anyway, he isn't joking. No, that's true. I saw a poster on the way here tonight. A big poster, and it says Southport Comedy Festival. They're having a laugh. Anyway, Odessa is a town in Ukraine. And it's also a town in Florida and in Texas, believe it or not. But there was an old man from Odessa whose knowledge became lesser and lesser. In the end, it was so small, there was nothing left at all. That's when he became a college professor. To be honest, I like living in this world. I like living in a country where you can do anything that pleases the wife.
Good man.
In McGull, there's a pub called the Frank Hornby. Frank Hornby is famous for toy trains. Love them. Walked in there, and there's this bloke standing there like that. So I said, "What? Excuse me." I said, "What have you got there? What's with the cutlery?" He said, "This one will tell you if it's sunny, and this one will tell you if it's going to rain." I said, "What?" He said, "This one is sunny, and this one is going to rain." So I said, "How can you do that?" He said, "It's a Weatherspoons." Now that, I have to say, as most of these jokes I tell in these evenings, are courtesy of my lad here up from Sweden. Once again, thank you, George, for inviting our folks who are visiting us, because it's his birthday today too. He's younger than me. Some of you know I'm a blues band really at heart when it comes to music, and I was considering some lyrics I was looking at today, and there, believe it or not, coincidentally, there's a piece called "Bottle Up and Go," which was an old traditional song, but the first recording of it was in the early 30s. And guess who was born in the early 30s? And there is a line in that which I thought was most appropriate. Now, I daren't do it tonight because the lyrics are very suggestive. But there is one line in it, and it says, how does it go? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. Yes, the lyrics go, "I may be old 90 years, but I ain't too old to shift them gears." Right? But this song is about a much younger era. About teenage years. About 3 young fellas and 3 young girls. I think we've all been there. Parked on the corner in a beat-up car, speaking up a candy bar, talking about how smart they are, those three cool cats. Around the corner came three cold chicks, splitting up a bag of potato chips. Those three cool cats gave three cool pips for those three cool chicks. Up jumped that first cool cat, he said, man, look at that. Man, do you see what I see? I want that middle chick. I want that little chick. Hey man, save one chick for me. They look like angels from up above. Three cool cats really fell in love. But three cold chicks made three fools of that three cool cats. Yeah. Three cool cats. Three cool cats.